Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Many of these will probably surprise you, but they do work. Definitely.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Word puzzles can be a terrific way to improve your health. They can help enhance your cognitive function and memory, and they can also moderate stress levels. Additionally, word puzzles can also be a wonderful way to enhance your mental wellness. There are countless benefits to playing word puzzles, and they can be an outstanding way to improve your overall health. Cooking with friends can be a fun and rewarding experience. There are many benefits to cooking with friends, including the fact that you can bond with them while doing something healthy. Cooking also allows you to try new foods and learn new recipes. Plus, it can be a great way to relax and have fun. So next time you're looking for something to do with your friends, consider getting together for a healthy cooking session. It could be good for your mind, body, and soul. Talking to friends can be good for your health. Good health is essential for overall well-being, and friendship performs a critical role in preserving good health. Talking to friends can help reduce stress, improve mental well-being, and provide social support. Good friendships are associated with decreased risk of developing cardiovascular disease, arthritis, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. A recent study has shown that playing F.A.S.T can have some benefits for your mental and physical health. Playing F.A.S.T can help improve your memory. The game requires you to remember which cards are where, and this can help keep your mind sharp. Additionally, the act of playing F.A.S.T can help reduce stress levels. This is because the game requires you to focus on something other than whatever may be stressing you out. So next time you're feeling stressed, consider playing a game of F.A.S.T.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.